Greetings, I am Anjala Monal from 4th year ECA.
I'm Kavya V from 4th year ECE.
Our project is face recognition based automated attendance system in the scholastic environment using IoT. We are guided by Mr. Danny Regan Vivek, Assistant Professor Senior Grade of ECE Department, Memcoshlang Engineering College. Cut பண்றி. These are the contents to be presented. Introduction. Attendance marking system is a major concern in the school, colleges and workplace because it affects the productivity of the students and also the company. Manual attendance and other biometrics attendance that is present so far has certain disadvantages. So we are going to propose an automated attendance system using face detection, face recognition, and also we are going to present a virtual classroom environment using proctoring parameters. So the manual attendance present so far may lead to human error and it is time thefting, and it's also having many inefficient tracking, ineffective and outdated methods. So we are going to present a automated paperless attendance and monitoring system. So the objectives of the project will be to develop a smart attendance system and to ensure the speed of the attendance recording and updating process and to enhance classroom and monitoring.
And these are the literature survey we have referenced. First, the automated attendance system with the face recognition, and the second one is a real-time automated attendance system for face recognition using Face API and OpenCV, and the third one is automatic attendance system for university student using face recognition based on deep learning, and the fourth one is a random interval attendance management system, a novel multimodal approach for post-COVID virtual learning, and the final one is a categorizing the students' activities for automated exam proctoring using proposed deep L2 GraphNet CNN network and ASO-based feature selection approach. These are the software and hardware components that are used. Methodology: here the input is a video from the camera that is installed in the entrance of the classroom, and the output is an automatic attendance report. The flowchart describes as the video that is captured and the face that is detected. From that, the face that is recognized. If the face that is matched with the database, then the process of attendance is recorded. If the face that is doesn't match, then it is identified as unknown faces. And these happens based on the time level, and if the times does not exceed, the process continues. If the time that is exceeded, and the report that is generated and sent via the when through the mail. And this is an architecture. This is a block diagram that is used for database creation. Here,
This is the surveillance zone block diagrams. The similar methodology is used, and the classification using SVC is done, and as identified and unidentified faces. If the face is unidentified, then the feature of updating the face is given. If it is identified, then roll number and emotions and other age, gender are detected, and it is maintained in a spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet is given to admin using remote access via mailgun API. And similarly, in the virtual zone we are using the same method, and for face verification we are using spoofing technique. In here, if the classified faces is identified, then the name, roll number, eye, head movements, mouth open, more than one person in the frame, and other details are captured. If the face is unidentified, then warning is given. If the following output are given to the spreadsheet, and it is notified to admin through remote access via mailgun API.
and this is a proposed technology and the methods for this. The database and notification system are using done by using the web, and for database training we are using embedding cafe model using FaceNet architecture. And for face detection and recognition, we are using MTCNN, which is nothing but multitasking cascaded convolution neural network, which consists of PNet, RNet, and ONet. For the face classification, we are using SVC, which is support vector classifier, which classifies a two section, which is identified and unidentified classes. For the this is a empty CNN block diagram, which consists of face is detected by using the FaceNet architecture. We are classifying the features and the vector that is obtained. By comparing this, we are recognizing this.
These are the results we have obtained. Uh, uh, for each student, a minimum 50 images at various angles faces is captured as a database, and we have collected for two students. Then the face is recognized and with the name, roll number, and accuracy rate. In the spreadsheet, a name and roll number is updated. And for proctoring system, we have tracked eye tracking for less looking straight, right, and left. And head pose estimation, head up, down, left, and right are redacted. Then using mouth open detection, using the distance of the lips in the outer and inner points, we are detecting if the mouth is present or not, or if the mouth is open or not. Then more than 1% reduction in the single frame is detected. Then this is the output we have got after integrating all the proctoring parameters. Regarding hardware or Raspberry Pi, this is the setup process. After OS installation and library packages installation, the database creation is similarly done using a Raspberry Pi camera and Raspberry Pi processor. Then the face database of each student is taken. The face is recognized, and along with emotion detection, we have classified so far 6 emotions like happy, sad, fear, surprise, joy, and anger. Based on the facial expression, emotion is detected. Face is recognized at various angles with similar accuracy rate, and the following output are generated in the spreadsheet. And graphical user interface is created for notification system, where if a button is pressed, spreadsheet is sent as an email to the admin. More than one admin can also be accessed for the spreadsheet. This is the email notification we will be receiving, that you have a visitor and which visitor will be coming, and an attendance sheet with given along with the spreadsheet with the details of name and roll number. Uh, we have completed our proposed work, and the future scope involves the face recognition based video surveillance may be used for a societal cause such as criminal detection at public places, and the notification can be sent to the authority immediately using IoT and artificial intelligence technology. These are the references that we have used, and thank you.